Alright guys, it's me, Hayden 5020. We're at Apex Farms. This is the shop. Really nothing much besides the torn up truck. But let's go out and I'll show you what's around. This is the main shop. It's basically, we built that, I don't know, a while ago I think. Got all of our Peterbilts are 389s. They all got cabs on them, or not cabs, sleepers, I mean. So this one's truck number 3. And they're all Peterbilts, besides our one Mack, which we'll get to in a minute. Corn growing. This is truck number 1. Nice red and white Pete. Eventually all our trucks are going to look like that. This is our buddy's, well, Keith's friend sprayer, 4730 Deere. Got 2 of them running. Well, that one not right now, but the other one is seed boxes. J&M. This was a last year purchase, say 875. Gearing off head pumps and gearing off Turtleflex. Case IH 400 Steiger. Got a inner, is this a Freightliner? I think it's a Freightliner spreader truck. Then we got a gearing off 8-row head. Got J&M 875, and then that one is a, let's see, I think this one's a 750. 2 7230s. I think this is one that's getting traded out for a 7240 dual. Just kind of sneak back here. This is our other 7230 axle flow. We run the Case IHs. 24-row John Deere corn planter, a 16-row John Deere corn planter. So that's basically it for, well, not really, because we got one more tractor to look at. Case IH Steiger 330. I'll probably be on a grain cart. Our Steigers and Magnums will be on grain carts. We'll make our way over to the other side of the farm. And this is Apex trailer snowplow. Toy truck, that's my right there, Ram 1500. So yeah, red, or not red, white and black is the color theme. Got a couple work trucks here. Another one of our friend's pieces, fertilizer tender. He also likes Ford, so we got a lot of Ford trucks here. There guys, kind of a big walk. More Fords. This is our other newest purchase, gearing off 12-row head. Got a 7250 AFS connect on my axle flow. That combine isn't ours anymore, and neither are the heads. Got a Mag Vision, I want to say. It's our only truck that's not a Peterbilt. Strip tow bar. Got a Winslow, or not a Winslow, a Wilson tender, or not tender, what am I saying? Grain trailer. We got a couple of these. Some other work trucks. This is the old shop. That's truck number 5 right there. Farmhouse. International Tractor. Bin site. That's our new bin site setup. And this place is basically our fuel parts. Bird, got a mower, John Deere D9 60R tires, corn snouts, just parts in here basically. A couple other accessories. Can-Am Outlander, John Deere 210. Just like I said, more parts. This used to be the old shop. So go back out here. Like I said, we're doing a soybean project, so there's 2 bottom hoppers. That first one's full of cornmeal, and our second is bean meal, or bean mix or whatever. Scrap pile. Got our bush hog back there. This is our other new purchase, Stinger trailer for our cornmeal and whatnot. Sanders, miscellaneous. Sprayer trailer. Got truck number 6. Blue Pete. I think that's what it is. Yeah, Blue Pete. Yellow trailer as well. We got going there. So, this is a 6,000 acre farm. I don't think I said that. It's not our draper anymore. More miscellaneous. Kinsey 3600 bean planter. Some totes and whatnot. See, can I get it? Can I get the sleigh to it? I think I can. Nope. Anyway, 7810 tanks, Big John tanks. Get a closer look if we can. Yeah, 36 row plant, or not 36. Yeah, 36 row actually. Something nice. We run Kinseys and Deeres. John Deere 7810. That's for our little planter. Case IH 290 Magnum. We have 2 of these. There's the little bean planter for the 78. This is another 290 4-wheeler with chemical stuff. Yeah, this is a 290. And then if we can, those are our Big John tanks for the Steiger 400. We just put these new bins up. Ginormous. Got propane tanks back here. I'll just walk around real quick to the other side, maybe not. See what happens. More propane. Roasting unit. I think you see him. Nope. I'm making you guys walk a goose chase. Here. Go up here. We run soak up fans on our bean bins. And then my cousin's excavator and bulldozer's not here anymore. My cousin's equipment and man lift, a couple other things. This is the boss's semi, really nice truck. And that'll do it for the farm thing. So another truck right there. That's unloading beans in my last video. So that'll do it. Thanks for watching. There, a good bean bin. Alright, it's Hayden 5020. Thanks guys.